Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but I am always struggling to find the perfect pair of shorts. But the struggle is over. I have found them and here they are. So these shorts are from Liberty Imports and I absolutely love them. So some of my favorite features about these shorts are: one, super light. Check out this material. It's incredibly airy, it's stretchy, it flows really nicely. It's quick dry, so they literally dry in no time at all. And they're so comfortable. Since I have gotten these shorts, I've literally worn them probably every day. And the great thing is that this is a 5-pack of shorts. So you get 5 different colors, so you can wear a different one every day and it's no problem. And the fact that you get these 5 shorts makes this an incredible deal. This is such a good price for these, for a high quality athletic short, and I know you're absolutely gonna love it. So the waistband, super comfortable. It's got this nice thick elastic. It's soft inside, nothing is scratchy. There's also no tags, which is nice. There is a drawstring, so you can adjust that to suit however you like. And there's pockets, so that's always fun. And these pockets have a mesh lining, so they're nice and thin, breathable, and they don't look super big, but I can fit an iPhone XS in there, so I think that that is pretty good. So I have been wearing these shorts for everything from being outside in the garden, doing chores, lounging around the house, or running or doing workouts, and they are amazing in all circumstances. I really appreciate also that they have a 5-inch inseam. I just love having a little bit of extra length while still looking super cute. So if you are also looking for the perfect pair of shorts, I would recommend these from Liberty Imports. They are comfortable, they're high quality, they're really cute, they're easy to take care of, and you're just gonna wanna wear them all the time. And that's my point of view.